Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this little Mr. Freeze Ice Pole inspired paper squishy. Super cute, really nice packaging and stuff. The ice pole inside is removable. It has a little clipper inside, so he's really fun to play around with. So if you want to see how to make it, then just keep on watching. So first of all, to make the paper squishy ice pole insert, you're going to need some paper and some pens. I'm just using Sharpie pens on mine because that's what I have available at the moment. I took this slightly darker blue shade and made an outline, and then with this nice kind of icy mid blue, I just filled in the kind of inside of that shape, just scribbling away, coloring it all in. You can use pencils, you can print this if you want to, you can use different types of pens or markers or just anything you have. Once I had this done, I then wanted to add some white kind of highlights to it, so I took a Posca paint pen and just did some white highlights that way, and then also drew on the eyes. You can, if you want to, use acrylic paint here, that will work really well. Once that had dried, I then took a black Posca paint pen and just filled in the rest of the face, so the inside of the eyes and then the mouth in between those two. And then once I had done that, I then took some acrylic paint in the pinky kind of shade, the colour that I really like, and just painted on a little tongue in that mouth section. Again, you don't have to use Posca paint pens, acrylic paint will work just fine if you want to make it really stand out on top of your paint. Next, I folded my piece of paper over and then just cut out the shape of the ice pole with the front and the back piece, so that I had two pieces the exact same shape. I then coloured the back piece as well in the same kind of pattern that I did on the kind of like ice pole base, so the dark blue around the edge, filling it in with that medium to light blue in the very centre. So before putting the two pieces together for this paper squishy, I actually wanted to insert a hair clip to make it like a clicky squishy. So I just took this one here, it was kind of matching, just not on purpose, it's just one I had kicking around. So I just taped the back of that to the inside of the back piece of paper, just the plain one without the face, and then it made sure that that could clip nicely. I just did that with a piece of sellotape. Then I took my front piece with the kind of like face and everything like that on, and I just sellotaped that so that then I could cut down each of the sides and secure the front to the back piece, making a sort of bag like shape. I then filled the whole of the squishy with the polyfill just down one of the sides before taping, and then once it was full, I just taped that up to enclose all of the stuffing inside. This is what the little paper squishy itself turned out like. As you can see, the little clip clips nicely in there, the squishy itself feels nice with the polyfill, and yeah, I really like this. So anyway, on to the ice pole packaging. To make this, I just marked out the words Mr. Freeze in pink, and then just made that into a nice bubble text to make it nice and like stand outish. Then I coloured in the whole of like that piece in the same sort of blue colour that I used for the inside of the ice pole squishy itself. I just thought this would match nicely, so I went ahead and did that all in and around the kind of pink text. Then added some more details on, like the pink down at the bottom, some sparkles with the white Posca paint pen, and then I just took a fine liner pen as well and just kind of outlined and made shadows on the text to make that pop a little bit against that blue background. Once I was happy with the design, I just folded my kind of design over and along one of the long edges, and then on the back I just kind of copied the same colorway just on the back, but I made sure to leave a space in the middle because I didn't want to waste my pens as I was cutting that out for the clear cutout for the ice pole to go in. So just cut along the bottom of one of those like blue edges, as you can see, and just kind of cut out that central rectangle piece to make the clear cutout section. So instead of leaving that empty, I then put tape down on this, just on one side and then on the other, so that the sticky sides of both of the tape was facing inwards, so that I just got a clear kind of like little like peekaboo bit. I don't know what to call that, but like making a clear window. You can use acetate on this or like cellophane, that'll work well if you have that, but I just used the tape. Then I put tape over the front part of the design as well and made sure it was enough overlapping so that I could fold the whole piece together and then kind of tape those two pieces to make the ice pop bag. That was done, I then took some scalloped edge scissors, just cut a pretty pattern across the top and the bottom part. You can use zigzag scissors here if you want to, or just cut it out with regular ones just to make a little bit of extra detail. Once that was done, my ice pole was ready to go inside of the little bag, inside of its packaging, and just become at one with its squishy bag. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I absolutely love this packaging here. Love the pink and the blue together. I think it just looks so nice. I also really like the fact that the ice pole itself is removable, so you can squish it in the packaging or out of it if you want to. I quite like it in it. I like the kind of like effect of like the see-through bit, and then yeah, I just like it as a whole. I've left the ends like unstuck, but you can just put a little bit of double-sided tape in there if you want to. Obviously we could just clip it here. Kind of sounds like ice breaking, which I really like. So yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up before leaving. Leave me any suggestions down in the comments, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye.